Exodus is not just the second book of the Bible. It's an accurate description of what's going on now with the Obamacare program. Everybody is leaving it. 216,000 of the nation's 893,000 doctors have announced that they will not accept Obamacare patients. 70% of the doctors in California will not take Obamacare patients. By way of comparison, only 9,000 doctors refuse to accept Medicare patients. So this is a new phenomenon, and it is decimating the ability to provide care under Obamacare. And at the same time, the mandatory requirement that people get health insurance is honored far more in the breach than by following the dictate of the law. There are over 30 million people who have applied for an exemption from the fine the IRS would impose, often citing poverty or lack of a good medical plan in their area. It's not clear how many will get the exemption. Obama claims that there are 17 million people who have gotten health insurance who hadn't had it before through Obamacare. But it's a phony statistic. Half of those 17 million are covered by Medicaid, the old-fashioned welfare program passed in the Great Society, and all he did was simply raise the eligibility level so more people could become involved. Another quarter of the total are people who were insured happily by their employer and were forced off their insurance by Obamacare and now have no option but to get insurance from Obama. All told, only 4.1 million new people are getting insurance under Obamacare. And to make matters worse, the health insurance companies are themselves abandoning the program. They're finding that the Obamacare population is so old, so sick, and so poor that they're a very bad risk pool, and that they force the insurance companies to impose higher and higher premiums, which makes fewer and fewer people want to enroll in them. Obamacare is dying on its own by its own initiative. It's the victim of its own internal contradictions and bad judgments. Good riddance. Thanks for watching.